Yeah, I'm looking at the button. Oh, it started. Okay, we're all good. Let me just bring the mic up. I thought I was done for the night, but I tilted back, oh, turned on the music, started playing it, and thought everything was okay. But then you know what? The hiccups happened. If you ever had the hiccups, you know how bad. Oh, they blow. Hiccups suck. They're right up there with, like, I don't know. What would they be up there with? I One time I inadvertently had my prostate checked way back when because I thought something was wrong. And this doctor, I'm not gonna mention any names or anything, but all I knew is, yeah, I'm heat cupping, so get over it. Anyway, this is the story. Holy hell, hiccups blow. All I got was I went in because one of my nuts, or if you want to be technical about it, one of my testicles hurt all the time. And like I say, if you hear the strangeness in my voice, it's because every time I'm hiccuping. Stay with me. It'll get to the point. Anyway, I went into this doctor and told him my symptoms and all that. One of them was hanging lower than the other. It hurt all the time, and you know they done some of the usual tests and all that. Oh, and this was way back. This was back in my mid 20s, I guess you'd say, when everything was working properly. Before all this happened, all this, yeah, everything worked right. I could walk, I could make everything move like I wanted to. Anyway, I had the pain. I thought it was a hernia. Went to this doctor, and for whatever reason or another, only a few have heard this story, but I'm going to share it now just because I had the hiccups, and I'm going to show uh, the cure for the hiccups each time that has worked for me. A, bud- a buddy of mine, I'm not going to give the last name, but Lance, he told me a long time ago, do this, which we'll get to shortly. But I want to tell the other story first. All these tests have been done, x-rays, MRIs, ultrasounds, all that. He wasn't convinced of, like I said, keep up. It's not just a bad microphone, it's because I've got the damn hiccups. Anyway, all these tests. I'm in this room, and he decides all of a sudden to try a new test, which, well, let me just say, people, I don't know. I mean, women, you have the tests, or you're in the stirrups, you have the all that stuff. But for for men, no, none of that ever happens until now. I'm laying there, or okay. First off, he greets me, and we talked about the symptoms and all that. Next thing I know, I'm laid on the bed, which, that bed is covered with a sheet that, when you walk out, they rip it down, and a new sheet is there. And he says, pull your legs up to your stomach. I'm like, what in the hell's going on here? But, I'm looking for a reason why this pain. So I pull my knees up. I'm exposed to the world that I've never knew before. And before I know what's happening, well, there you go. That finger goes ah, with some lube. And before I know what's happening, all I'm doing is laying there thinking, what's happening to me? He's already finished and comes out and offers me a tissue. Who does this? Who sticks their, well, I'm not going to be graphic, but I'm laying there thinking, what has happened to me? And he says, here's a tissue. Clean yourself off. Everything looks good. I'm sorry, people. If you've never experienced this, it's a whole nother world. I didn't know what to say. I didn't know what to do, but clean myself off, put my clothes back on, walk out of the office and wait. And thankfully, when he comes back, he says, well, there's no problem with your prostate. I'm thinking, yeah, thank you, Doc. What's the pain? Still has no clue what's going on. Oh, these fucking hiccups. Yeah. Anyway, that little story there I had to share. It was, yeah, it was mm, it was a time in my life I'll never forget. Anyway, right now, I'm going to have to holler because with most things, I'm going to need assistance. And hopefully, I'm going to keep recording so you can see what happens when you cure the hiccups every time. Because I've still got little bastards. It might, it might get a little loud. Hey, Paul, I'm going to need a little cold water, please. Got the hiccups. And I've told quite a few after learning it from my buddy Lance. A lot of people don't realize it, but it's such a simple thing. Yeah, we'll have to wait just a bit. He was snoring. He was cuddled up. Oh, yep. He was cuddled up in his chair, snoring away. And where's he gonna go? Yeah, okay. Oh, God Almighty, hiccups blow. Mm, I hate them. Oh, and there we go again. Yeah, I've joined the hiccups and the music I've got going. Oh, just hang on just a minute. I promise you it's worth it. I'm even going to title it The Cure. Oh, Mother Hunter. The Cure for the Cure for Hiccups. If it don't work, something is wrong with you. Because I've been at normal. I've been half drunk. I've been full drunk. I've been passed out drunk, having the hiccups, and this method works every time. looking around for, I know everybody wants to see. Holy shit. Teddy, but he's done bedded down. So here we go. Coming down the hall now, I think. Oh, yep. So just watch closely. Yep. For whatever reason, I got him. Oh. Holy moly. That's it. It's what it takes every time, Paul. Oh, me too. Thank you, Paul. Glass of cold water and a glass of cold water. And that's it, people. It was a long video to get to the end, but take a glass of cold water, ice, as long as it's cold. You turn it up. You keep taking little sups, little bitty sups until you can't handle it no more. Take a deep breath. Here we go. I've been hiccuping this whole video, and look at me now. It works. Try it next time you have the hiccups. This is the tip for today. I'll see you. Yeah, I'm looking for the damn button as usual. Come on, where are we at? We won't stop. Oh, come on. Don't forget, it cures hiccups. I don't care who you are.